So I'm wondering how long you're going to lay like that, all trampy and so forth. Are you going to be doing this all day long? Tramp? Is this what you're doing for the rest of the day? Oh, you are. Huge. Huge tramp. I don't know. Oh, did someone wake you up, crazy hair? Did someone have crazy hair? Oh, big stretch. That looks fun. You look fun. Come on, show us what you look like, crazy. Hey, what you got? Other than, what are you doing? What's the leg thing doing? Oh, you're trying to look hairy and cute. Oh, you look hairy and cute. Your tail is going apeshit. Is your tail happy? Is your tail happy? Yeah, it's happy. You have pillows that you lay on all day long. Ah, little girl, come on over here. No? Okay. You look cute though.